All right, everybody. Hey, everybody. What can I say? All right, everybody. Welcome to. All right, everybody. Yeah. All right, everybody. Welcome to April. We're going to do a guided meditation. I'm going to keep it short and sweet this month. It's about noticing the small things. So find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Let your hands rest softly wherever they feel natural. If it feels okay, allow your eyes to close or just simply soften your gaze. Take a slow breath in. And then let something go, gently releasing. Let your breath now return to a natural rhythm. Begin by noticing where your body's supported. Perhaps you're laying down or you're seated. The weight of you is settling into a chair or the ground beneath you. Feel the points of contact, your feet, your legs, your back. There's nothing you need to change. Just notice. Now gently bring your attention to the sounds around you without searching. Simply receive what's already there, here around you. Maybe you notice something close by, a subtle hum, a small movement, and then maybe something far away. Layers of sound coming and going. Let them pass through your awareness without needing to name them. Now begin to notice sensation, the feel of the air on your skin, the temperature of the room, the quiet movement of your breath, rising and falling. Perhaps you notice something subtle, something you might not have noticed before. Let your awareness be soft and curious. Now turning gently inward, notice your thoughts. Not following them and not pushing them away, just observing as if they are passing shapes or colors, coming and going. In the same way, notice any feelings present. There's no need to change them, just allowing them to be here. Everything you notice, a sound, a sensation, a thought, is simply a small detail with a larger space of awareness. Rest here for a few moments. Now, begin to deepen your breath, gently bringing a bit more energy into your body, noticing again the space around you, the room, the quiet presence of where you are. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to look around as if you're seeing your space for the first time, carrying the sense of quiet attention with you. Ah, and now for the full prompt, you can find that the beginnings down below or join my free mailer. And I will see you all next month. Have a good time with this one. Go slow and steady. Okay, bye for now.